In today's video, we'll review the top 5 dash cams of 2021. After the video, be sure to drop a comment for topics you'd like to see next. And check out the links in the description below for up-to-date prices and information. First up, we have the Garmin Dash Cam 66W. This dash cam records at 1440p HDR resolution, at 60 frames per second, has a wide 180-degree angle and a 2-inch LCD screen. It's very compact in size, but the downside is that when not on external power, the battery lasts 30 minutes. Next, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini. The Mini features a very small design, reducing the distraction caused by larger units. It captures video in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. But if you're looking for GPS, a built-in screen, or a battery, this may not be the camera for you. Onto the Nextbase 622GW dash cam, the most expensive camera on the list. This dash cam is packed with features, such as GPS and speed data, as well as an emergency SOS feature and the Alexa voice assistant. This dash cam records in 4K at 30 frames per second, or 1080p at 120 frames per second, with a large 3-inch screen and 140-degree field of view. But the drawback to this camera is its large size and price. Next is the Nextbase 522GW, similar to the previous dash cam. This has built-in GPS and speed data, along with an emergency SOS feature. It can record video at 1440p at 30 frames per second, and 1080p at 60 frames per second, also with a large 3-inch screen and 140-degree field of view. But like the previous, it's large and chunky. And finally, we have the Rove R2 4K dash cam. This camera records at 4K with a 150-degree field of view. It has a built-in 2.4-inch screen and incorporates GPS and Wi-Fi. The camera is mounted on a swivel, making it easy in situations where the camera needs to be quickly repositioned. But unless you opt in for the hardwire option, the battery only lasts 10 minutes. That's it for this list. Hope you found the information helpful. We'll see you on the next video.